First up is a story of glory, but it's also a story which brings tears to your eyes. No home for Paralympic medalists. Look at the pathetic state of Paralympian who brought honor for his country, but still has no roof to call his own. This is an eye-opener of a story of R. Prasad, who won a silver medal at Los Angeles Paralympics 2015.
A Paralympic son and his father's prayer. 44-year-old R. Prasad is a Paralympian, a silver medalist at the Los Angeles Paralympics 2015. Prasad, differently abled, works as a housekeeping staff to make ends meet for his father, mother, and him. And at the now occasional interviews, his medal still adorns his neck with pride.
आप करते क्या है अभी?
I'm housekeeping.
आप हाउसकीपिंग का जॉब करते हैं. Imagine a silver medalist in an international event in Olympics is working as a housekeeping staff right now.
5 साल का housekeeping करता हूँ.
5 साल से आप हाउसकीपिंग कर रहे हैं. आपके फादर आपके लिए इतना सब किया, आपको कैसा लगता है?
अच्छा है.
हाँ?
जिंदगी ऐसा चलता है.
He is smiling despite that. मैं आपके हौसला के बारे में क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ. It is seriously something that the government should now really look into. He really deserves a house somewhere, we all believe, because he's got you a silver medal and they're both happily smiling and telling their problems.
The man behind Prasad's dream of being a sports person is his 44-year-old father, Ramu. He sold clothes, cycling across neighborhoods, his mere earnings set aside for his son's future. His hard work and prayers paid off, but one remains. A home his son can call his. For now, this 1 BHK home at a rent of 9,500 rupees a month is what they call theirs. They rent too hard for them to bear.
5 years back अप्लाई किया है सर घर के लिए राजीव गांधी रोशनी स्कीम उन्होंने एक साल में आपको दे देंगे करके बोलता था. अभी 5 साल हो रहा है मेरे को घर नहीं मिल रहा है. मेरा लड़का डिसेबल है. मेरा एज आके 68 ईयर्स हो रहा है. मैं मरने का पहले उसको एक घर दिलाऊंगा. प्लस ये स्टेट लेवल, नेशनल लेवल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल स्पोर्ट्स किया है. 2015 में यूएसए गया है, सेकेंड प्राइज में आया है. 2006 में मलेशिया गया है वर्ल्ड गेम में. इतना हम करता है, इतना कर गया. हमारा को कुछ काम नहीं दिया अभी तक. कौन सा बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है गवर्नमेंट से. प्लस मैं साइकिल में कपड़ा बेच के 35 ईयर्स से कपड़ा बेच के इसकी मैं जिंदगी मेरा चल रहा है.
आप साइकिल में कपड़ा बेच
अभी भी मैं साइकिल में कपड़ा बेच रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
Still I am doing my business from cycling.
All right. Okay.
घूम के साइकिल में घूम के मेरा बिजनेस करना है.
अच्छा.
वो बिजनेस में करने के लिए इतना लाया है. इसको पीछे में रहा है.
So that means whatever you earned throughout your life, you spent on his achievements.
Yeah. All my life is gone to my son. I am doing. मेरा सभी इसके लिए, मेरा जिंदगी सब इसके करके ऐसा लाया है. फिर भी मेरे को इधर रह के, हम कर्नाटका में रह के, सब रह के मेरे को कुछ भी बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है.
And this is the Olympic silver medal that he's holding. Silver medal right here. Silver medal for handball. This is in 2015. And his father, who's been selling clothes on a cycle all his life, so that his son now gets a house at least, or his son can achieve what he can. And all his life आप उसको स्पोर्ट्स में ही डाले हो.
हाँ, क्योंकि तो उसका नॉर्मल एजुकेशन बनाने नहीं हुआ है मेरे से. डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं नॉर्मल एजुकेशन में नहीं जाना पड़ रहा है उसको. एक जगह में नहीं बैठता था, उधर भागता था, इधर भागता था. इसलिए उसको नॉर्मल एजुकेशन है, स्पेशल एजुकेशन में डाला. मैं स्पेशल स्कूल में डाल के एक पीरियड एक इसमें लाया है ऐसे लूम्स में और गाय का दूध बनाने में. ऐसा ही उनको क्या किया, वो स्पेशल स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स में डाला. स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा है करके इसको स्पोर्ट्स में सिलाया है. मैं सब भी स्पोर्ट्स में फर्स्ट आता. सभी ऑल गेम इज प्लेइंग. क्रिकेट, हैंडबॉल, साइकिलिंग, रनिंग, सब कुछ कर रहा है. ऑल सभी खेल में फर्स्ट आया है. सर्टिफिकेट सभी मेरे पास है.
Imagine the struggle of a father who worked all his life and he was told that his son has to go to special school. And he put him in that, worked his whole life trying to sell clothes on a cycle so that his son can achieve all the dreams that he can, and he's achieved a silver medal for the country. This is not a medal that he's done it for himself, this is a medal that he's earned for the country. And right now they've been beating every pillar and every door to get a house in the Rajiv Gandhi scheme.
The irony, a house is their right. Prasad applied for a home under Karnataka State's Rajiv Gandhi housing scheme. He paid 1 lakh rupee. 5 years later, no house, no response, no clarity, despite being fully eligible. Bangalore resident for more than 40 years, person with disability, living in rented accommodation, below poverty line, international Paralympian who brought pride to the country, a son who brought honor to India, yet still has no roof to call his own.
Let's not forget, starting tomorrow, this is not just a story that we shall do and move on. This is a campaign. This is a mission. Take a good look at this man, Prasad, the Paralympian, who brought us glory, and today, despite having all the eligibility criteria, lives in a rented accommodation. Is this what we promise to our people who bring us glory? This is not what is called Indian pride. Think about it. Following the report by my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah on Paralympian Prasad, who is waiting for a house under the Rajiv Gandhi housing scheme for 5 years, the housing board has now responded. We spoke to the managing director of the Rajiv Gandhi housing board, Parashuram, who said efforts are being underway to accommodate the applicant and that the matter has been taken up with the local MLA. Listen in to this phone conversation.
I'm joined in by the MD of Rajiv Gandhi Housing Board. Sir, we've done a story on a Paralympian who's been looking for a house for the last 5 years under the Rajiv Gandhi thing, sir. Could we get some assurance from you on how we can go about with that, sir?
So that applicant has applied in block B, Bidaralli.
Absolutely.
So that is yet not completed.
Hmm.
So A is completed. Under that A, we are trying to accommodate him. So I have requested to Honorable MLA to consider him under local quota, because this under B block, no, that already public quota is full.
All right,
We
sir.
don't have any vacancy there in public quota, and he didn't apply in A block
Okay.
while applying. So
Alright.
now we are trying to accommodate in under local quota.
All right.
So today itself I will reach to Honorable MLA. So under his local quota we will accommodate him.
Okay, so there is an assurance that Prasad may get a house as soon as possible on this.
Definitely, we will try our level best.
Thank you so
And,
much.
and I
sir.
asked that person that is there any location he wanted to shift from that Bidarali to another location, but he was telling that no, the Bidarali is convenient for him.
Mhm.
So okay, no issue. So we will try to accommodate in Bidarali itself.
All right, sir. Sir, any idea by when can this happen, sir?
So today itself I am moving towards Honorable MLA. So if Honorable MLA accept this under local quota, so we will issue tomorrow itself. So that's depend upon his discretionary.
This will be great. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you.
Thank you.
We all owe Prasad a home, and I hope it happens sooner rather than later.